What's going on, tubers? It's hot outside. I decided I wasn't gonna go fishing. I got trucks, I got chickens. Shut up! I got even a goat. Just won't leave me alone today. No one will leave me alone today. It's just one of those days. I believe it's the moon phase. I think it has a lot to do with the moon phase. You see I'm sweating. It's like 9:30 in the morning already, and it's miserable in Florida right now. And the other day I went out and I was just off the water at 11 o'clock. And I'll thug it out, but I wasn't feeling it. I came back home, put my pajamas back on, and just sat on the couch. Worked on some videos, and now I'm gonna do a how-to because I really don't want to be outside this long. But today we're gonna go over something that I got that I'm really excited about. As you know, I got the Livescope pan optics from Garmin, and man, one of the major issues with that is it just doesn't, when you put your spot lock on to your point and say it's really windy and you're trying to use your pan optics to see the brush piles, it always will throw you off your waypoint, and it's just a real pain in the butt to like reposition the boat back on your waypoint and then lose the brush pile when you're trying to fish it with the pan optics. Well, they have a awesome product, which I've been doing a lot of research, and I've been checking out some other companies that have a similar product like that, but I felt like this one was the best product for me and what I like. Just had some features that I really liked, because I don't have a lot of room on my deck when I get my rods on in here, and it's already a pain in the butt with the powerful buttons enough. So I just wanted to make sure that I had something that was going to work for me, you know, with what I got. And if I get a bigger boat, maybe there'll be another system that will work better for me. But right now, this one is, I like it. It's small, it's compact, and it's really simple to put together. And I'm going to show you guys today how I put this together. And that's the Rite-Hite Turin from R&M Industries. All right, so for the unboxing, here we go. Bubble wrap, everybody loves bubble wrap. Whew. I mean, and there it is right there. I mean, this thing is super small, compact. It looks really simple to put together and put on the boat. I'm really happy with this. It feels durable. It feels really solid. It doesn't feel like no junk. So shout out to the guys at R&M Industries for making a quality product. We're gonna put this thing to the test. All right, so this is a lot different than what I thought I was getting. I thought I was getting a little small, a small foot pedal, but this one's a little bit bigger than what I was thinking I was gonna get. This must come with the Pro series one. The original one doesn't have. It has a small one, like a little toggle thing. But I think this is still gonna be good. I think I'll get away with this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna mount this yet, so I'm probably gonna just leave it loose until I figure out what's the best way for me to mount this. And it's got a fuse kit, some bolts, some connectors, right there. All right. For the first part of this video, we're going to attach the turret with our boat. All right, that was simple, easy, as you can see. Now the next part is going to attach the transducer. Now we're gonna make our connectors. Alright, so I like to plug everything in and check it and make sure everything is working, moving correctly, find out how much length I really need on here to have nice good slack on there while it's rotating around. And I just want to make sure I got everything nice and tight before I shrink down my wires and tape them up and tighten them up, and wire management. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that is sick. Disconnect your wires before you start shrinking them. You don't want to burn up everything else. There she is, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super hot. Only took me about probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I took my time though on the wired management. I was trying to make sure it was nice and everything was nice and loose and moved around nice and tight. Everything wasn't all super tight. That's the most important thing, is you don't want to get your wires nice and tight, stretch them out, and you know, not get the maximum potential out of your new products. But man, check that out, man. This is legit, like, sweet. I can't wait to use it, man. It's gonna be awesome. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm on my way to 500 subscribers. Starting small, but going big. Totally organic channel, man. I just keep it real, man. It's all about real fishing with me, real life, and that's how I get down, man. So if you like, if you enjoy, share, tell your friends, follow, comment. What do you want to see next from me, guys? Let me know in the comments. I'm trying new things out. I'm trying to get new content out there for you guys. And just let me know what you guys would like to see, and I'll make a video about it. That's what I'm doing. I'm here for y'all, and I just hope y'all enjoy and learn from my channel. That's my #1 goal, is to teach people how I'm doing it and make mistakes. Like, I make mistakes. I'm a normal human being, and you guys might know how to do it a better way, but I'm just showing you the way I like to do it and how I've learned how to do it. Maybe it's the wrong way. Maybe you guys can give me some pointers on how to do it the right way or a better way. I'm not a professional, but I like to try to do things myself first, and then if I can't figure it out, then I'll take it to a professional and pay the money for quality. So I like to try, like I said, I like to try things. I'm not scared to screw things up. I failed a million things in my life, and 1,000,001 ain't gonna hurt me. So stay tuned. Hope you like and enjoy. Yeah, and if you haven't already, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. I really appreciate it.